This is Kevin Benedict, Independent Mobility Analyst and SAP Mentor, reporting live from SAP Insider's Mobile 2012 conference. I'll get this right after a while, Vaidy. I'm here with Vaidy, and Vaidy Iyer is the founder of appsFreedom. So what are you hearing out there from your clients and prospects, and what are they looking for in enterprise mobility today?
I get all sorts of questions on the enterprise mobility, starting from, where do I start? Do you have these particular apps in sales, procurement, so on and so forth? How can I deploy it very quickly? What's the cost? Pricing is a big thing in most people's mind, and the time to deploy. I think those are some of the major concerns that I see.
Okay, so I'm going to come over here so I can get a better lighting here on your face here. So, Vaidy, how does appsFreedom address some of those concerns that you're hearing around price, about time to implementation, and all that stuff?
So one of the things we do very different is we provide pre-built, packaged, and pre-integrated apps. So that means that you can deploy very quickly, 2 to 4 weeks. We are in and out. We don't need to touch SAP. We have built the framework and infrastructure ground up that we can pretty much read what you have in SAP and generate the apps. And on top of it, we use the SaaS model. So it's a mobile cloud technologies. It's a user per app subscription model. So really cost effective to get in. You don't invest too much, and you invest as you grow. As the users adopt more mobile apps, that's when you invest and not upfront.
So what kind of areas or what kind of applications are you guys looking to deliver pre-built?
The areas that really work out well for us, one is sales. So we have the sales freedom, the field service freedom, the procurement freedom, the HR freedom, which is all the timesheets and expenses and all of those things. And we recently added the executive freedom, which is all the dashboards and approvals and all of those things that an executive needs on the road.
Very good. So how long does it typically take to implement your solution in a SaaS model?
The first time we get in, we are typically in and out somewhere between 2 to 4 weeks, which includes the plumbing, the testing, all of those things in the production. Once it's set up and you have rolled out apps and for different users, you can incrementally add apps and users within a couple days. I mean, you basically go to the app management console, pick up the users, pick up the apps, drop them, push them out. That's about it.
So in a SaaS model, is it a subscription-based model? And if so, is it a monthly, quarterly, yearly? How does that work?
It's an app per user per month subscription model. The contract is always yearly, but the customers pay only for the apps they use, only for the users they want to deploy for, and only for the period that they choose to use for.
Very good. Well, Vaidy, I want to thank you for sharing with the audience today, and good luck on the conference.
Thanks, Kevin, and again, nice to be on your interview. Thanks.